We live in an age where pretty much anything can become a trend that people will pay a lot of money to get their hands on. But one man decided to take advantage of that in the most hilarious way. Welcome back to IO, I'm Charlotte Dobre, and this next story has to be one of my favorites on this channel to date. If you've been to a festival before, you know that they can get pretty expensive. It can be something ridiculous like $6 for a bottle of water, and people will actually pay it. Douglas Bevan set up a water booth at the Car Free Day Festival in Vancouver, Canada. But Douglas wasn't just selling plain old water. He was selling bottles of unfiltered hot dog water. As in bottles of water that have been used to cook hot dogs in. Oh, and with the hot dogs still in the bottle. Douglas embellished his product with the promise that the water was keto diet compatible, would help you lose weight, increase brain function, and make you look younger. Well, that sounds great, sign me up. The bottles of hot dog water look super legit too. They were branded with text, they had a barcode on them, they even had a guy in a hot dog suit passing out the bottles. And how much was Douglas selling these fantastic bottles of unfiltered hot dog water for? $38. And people actually bought them. You can do a lot of stuff for $38. You can go have a pretty nice meal. You can go to a concert, you can get your nails done, or even a haircut. But people actually paid almost $40 for a bottle of water with a soggy hot dog in it. A lot of people. Douglas said he sold 60 liters worth of hot dog water. 60 liters is equivalent to just under 16 gallons. The booth also sold hot dog lip balm, breath spray, and body fragrance. I mean, I love a good hot dog as much as anybody else, but I don't want to smell like one. People were really confused by the booth. One Twitter user posted that the hot dog water booth was the strangest thing she saw at the festival, and she had no idea whether it was real or an elaborate stunt. Apparently, the booth had this sign up that people failed to read. At the bottom of the sign, which is like who reads the bottom of the sign, there's this fine print. It had the following message under history. Over 50,000 years ago, long before the first humans ever reached North America, a massive volcanic eruption created a unique underground spring, complete with its own natural filtration system. Pristine lava rock. Hot dog water in its absurdity hopes to encourage critical thinking related to product marketing and the significant role it can play in our purchasing choices. Yep. That's right, Douglas Bevans trolled the people at the festival with a fake product to make the point that we as consumers are so stupid that we will buy practically anything for an outrageous price because it's trendy or new, or because it comes with the promise that it will help you lose weight. Newsflash, if you want to lose weight, eat healthy and work out. There is no way around it. There is literal fat from the hot dogs floating around in this water. I guess the moral of the story here is always read the fine print. And stop believing every advertisement you see. Okay? Well guys, let me know your thoughts on hot dog water, but for now I'm gonna respond to some of your comments. Leah Svensson said, "What is your dream job, Charlotte?" My dream job is to be an actor, but I'm also like on my way to becoming one already, so I feel like I need a new dream. Sherry Blossom said, "What if we kill all the mosquito?" I feel like that sounds like a good idea in theory, but you would probably throw off the ecosystem. It would be nice though. I've got some pretty savage mosquito bites that I can't stop scratching. Ella's Way said, "That's nasty, but I just graduated today and when we were walking out of school, 2 or 3 girls shouted, 'Hail the potato queens!'" Wait, were they talking about me, or is there another potato queen that I need to fight? I am the one and only! That's all folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show us some love by smashing the thumbs up and subscribing to IO for all of your news. If you like this video, you'll love this playlist right over here. Make sure you follow us on social media, scroll down to the description for all of our links. That is it for me. I'll see you in the next IO video.